What's up, guys? It's Sunday fun day. December, feeling like summer. Over here in South Florida. Loading up for a 2-a-day. That's what we do on a Sunday fun day. But these are real easy to make. Corn tortilla. Don't think they have any fat. No, 0 fat. Get fat-free cheese. Throw it on there. On this little what do you call this? Skillet piece. Where's the chicken? It's just a fajita chicken. Really quick, easy. It's already cooked. Stamp it together. Flip it a couple times. Boom. Done.
Really? You act like you made it.
Well, she did it. But I could probably do that too. Dip it in your choice of salsa. This one's really good. One sugar, no fat. Now some of these chips, these are awesome. 50% less fat, only 3 grams of fat for 1 ounce. Most of the tortilla chips have 6 to 8 grams of fat. So yeah. I'm gonna crush this. Drink a Rockstar. No sugar. Got my post-workout cooking. Credit to her, she's doing it. You got a lean ground beef. Was it 96?
Yeah.
96. Onions. But it's gonna be a healthy chili. Perfect post-workout. I'm gonna do, gotta have crackers. 1.5 grams of fat. 0 saturated fat per serving. You gotta have crackers with chili. I like to do white rice in my chili, but she thinks that's weird. I can't believe you didn't do that growing up in South Florida. That's what we did, so that's what I like. But it's good. I'll have crackers instead. "3D approved, GAF. So good. Peep the booty scrunch. Model the booty scrunch. If you want a discount, hit us up. We'll give you a code.